Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you get an egg into a bottle? This is a little bit dangerous, so you are going to need obviously some supervision, or remember, safety is super. Okay, so we're going to do this. So I'm going to light a bit of paper. And if you notice, the egg will not go in. So I'm gonna obviously wet the egg, and I'm also gonna wet the outside of the top of the bottle here. Okay, like so. Right, then I'm gonna light the paper. Pop that in there, and then pop the egg on top. So the science behind it is very simple. Okay, so when we first had the egg put on, the air inside the bottle was the same as the air around, and the pressure was almost the same as well. But because we heated up the air inside with obviously the piece of paper and put the egg on, that obviously rushed out all the hot air, so sometimes you can see closely that the egg would have vibrated very quickly. But then that means that there's less air inside the bottle than there is around the bottle, okay? Which then means that when this inside the bottle cools down, because obviously there is now no air, it's used it all up, and if you know your fire triangle, obviously fire does need air to continue. So once it starts to cool down, there's less air molecules and they all contract. So therefore, what's now happening is the air on the outside is trying to get inside to the air in the bottle, and the egg's in the way, so it's pushing down on the egg. And if you notice that it's quite a bit far down, and then eventually obviously the egg will get sucked into the bottle and the air will start to flow again. That's how it should work. So because it's a larger bottle, this is why the experiment hasn't successfully done what I thought it would do, which is the egg would obviously slowly but surely go into the bottle without obviously me touching it. So yeah, so the egg is almost, well, about a quarter in. Yeah, so that's quite fun, isn't it? But there we are. So that's how you can obviously either get an egg stuck, or in most cases, an egg inside a bottle. If you like this video, then don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up. It had to be one of my last sort of experiments to do, and it hasn't gone well, but that's what experiments are all about. If you liked it, then give it a like, and also share, and maybe consider subscribing, and see you again soon. Bye!